In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit Shopify site. By the end, you'll feel confident navigating your Shopify theme editor, making changes that look great across devices, and saving your work safely. Start by opening your Shopify admin. This is your store's control center where you manage products, orders, and design. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and choose Online Store. From there, click Themes. This section shows your current live theme along with any other themes you've added. Next, click Edit Theme. In many stores, this button is labeled Customize and it opens the theme editor. Here, your screen is split between a live preview on the right and a settings panel on the left. Think of the left sidebar as your toolbox. It's where you choose what part of your site you're editing and adjust how it looks and behaves. Use the left sidebar to select sections and pages. At the top, a page selector lets you jump between your home page, product pages, collections, and more, so you can edit each area in context. Within each page, the sidebar lists sections. You can expand a section to change its content, reorder sections by dragging them up or down, or temporarily hide them if you want to test a cleaner layout without deleting anything. As you make changes, watch the preview update in real time. Now customize your homepage sections, header, footer, and colors. In the homepage, update text, swap images, and fine-tune buttons and links so they point to the right places. In the header, check your logo, navigation menu, and announcement bar. Keep menus short and meaningful so customers can find what they need quickly. In the footer, review contact details, policy links, and social icons. For consistent branding, open your theme's color and typography settings, and set primary and secondary colors, button styles, and fonts. Aim for strong contrast for readability and keep image sizes optimized so pages load quickly. Before you save, preview your changes on desktop, tablet, and mobile views using the device icons in the editor. This step is crucial. Confirm buttons are easy to tap, text wraps neatly, images don't crop awkwardly, and the header doesn't cover important content. If something looks off on a smaller screen, tweak spacing or font sizes in the section settings. When everything looks the way you want, click Save. Your edits are stored in the theme and your storefront will reflect the updates if you're working on the live theme. That's it, simple, structured, and ready for your customers.